This year end, we've got a big God-sized goal of $250,000 raised to equip more churches in 2024 than we've ever had before. The theme this year is around rebuilding lives and restoring families, because 52 million, that's the number of Christians right now sitting in churches in America who have no access to healing. And this December, we're really highlighting stories of people who have found healing, who have found hope, and who have found freedom. And rather than sharing it with you myself, I'd rather you just hear directly from them.
Louis and I met and married very young. When we got married, I had no idea about Louis' struggle with pornography, and I didn't know anything about the terrible trauma that he had suffered right before we met.
I was in first grade and I was over at a friend's house. We went into his parents' room and he said, "Hey, look at this." And his dad had a Playboy by the bed. That was the first time I ever was exposed to pornography.
In my teenage years, I had sought out accountability. Even in the church that we were attending, we would pray together and talk. And it was more of like the feeling of needing to read my Bible more, which again, that's a wonderful thing, but that wasn't solving the issue.
I was devastated. In that moment, everything I believed about my body, all that insecurity, was confirmed.
I can still remember hearing my dad coming to my room. He was angry.
Looking back, I don't think I really knew what all I needed to share and disclose. I didn't know the depth of what I was struggling with at the time or the why.
I had never heard of Pure Desire, and they were coming to our church.
But I knew in that moment, this was something huge and I needed to face the fact.
God used Pure Desire to make a huge difference in my life.
Working with Pure Desire has done in my life and in our marriage, and the healing that has brought has changed our family.
God is God, and God keeps his promises. And we both just started sobbing. And I think that was a turning point, because then we were both on the same team again.
Here at Pure Desire, we believe that we're hurt in relationship, healed in relationship, and even in the way of generosity, we are better together in relationship. And now, unlike ever before, between now and the end of the year, we need you to help us reach $250,000 to equip more churches than ever before. So if you want to see lives rebuilt and families restored, you can join us in the way of generosity by visiting puredesire.org/rebuildlives.